A closed possible finance support ticket does not automatically mean your issue has been resolved. In many cases, it simply means the request reached the end of the support workflow because the team believed the problem was addressed, additional information wasn't received, or the case became inactive. By the end of this video, you'll know why Possible Finance closes support tickets, how to continue getting help, and what to do if your original problem still isn't fixed. Start by reading the final email or in-app message attached to the ticket. Support teams usually explain why the case was closed and may include instructions that still need to be completed. That could involve verifying your identity, updating your payment method, checking your linked bank account, or confirming that a requested action has already been completed. If the issue is still happening, don't immediately submit several new requests. Multiple tickets for the same problem can slow the process because support agents may need to merge duplicate conversations. Instead, reply to the original support email if replies are still accepted. If the ticket cannot be reopened, create one new request and include your previous ticket number so the support team can review the earlier conversation. When you contact support again, explain exactly what is still wrong. Mention whether the problem involves a loan application, repayment, bank account connection, account verification, payment processing, or another feature. Include the exact error message if one appears, along with screenshots showing the issue. Clear details reduce the chance of receiving another generic troubleshooting response. Before contacting support again, make sure you're using the latest version of the Possible Finance app. Also confirm that your internet connection is stable and that any linked bank account or payment method is still active. If you recently changed financial information, mention that in your follow-up because it may explain why the original issue continues. If your ticket was closed because support was waiting for your reply, responding with the requested information gives the team a better starting point than opening a completely unrelated case. Keeping everything connected to one conversation also makes it easier for the next support agent to understand the full history. To recap, a closed Possible Finance support ticket doesn't necessarily mean the problem is solved. Review the closing message, continue the existing conversation whenever possible, and provide specific details if you need additional help. As your next step, gather your previous ticket number, screenshots, and any error messages before contacting support again. If you found this guide useful, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Possible Finance troubleshooting tutorials.